Good day, my dear friends. Our gospel for today is from Matthew chapter 20, verse 1 to 16, where it is about the parable of the landowner who hires labor into his vineyard. At sa oras ng sahod, they all receive equal salary. Regardless, yung iba nagtrabaho ng maghapon, simula umaga, yung iba nag-start alas 9 na, yung iba alas 3, yung iba late na, hapon na. At dahil dito, yung mga nagtrabaho ng buong araw, nagreklamo sila, for them, this is unfair. Pero sabi ng landowner, hindi ba't ito yung pinagkasunduan natin? Tanggapin nyo na lamang ito at umuwi na kayo. Wala ba daw siyang karapatan sa sarili niyang pera o nainggit lang sila dahil siya ay generous? My dear friends, we used to think that God is fair, no? But He isn't fair. Hindi siya patas. And this is a good thing for us. Dapat nating pagpasalamat. Kasi kung ang Diyos ay patas, kawawa po tayong lahat. All of us, we don't deserve His blessings, especially salvation. This because God is so generous, so loving, so merciful, so compassionate, that He continues to bless us and giving us hope na magbago. Ang mahalaga lang naman sa Kanya ay ang mga kasalanan ay makabalik sa Kanya. Kaya nga sabi niya at the end of the parable, thus will the last will be the first and the first will be last. Amen.